Welcome back to LinguaStep, the channel where you learn English one step at a time.
Hi, Emma. So, what are we learning today?
Today is Lesson 3, and we're talking about something everyone enjoys: hobbies and free time. You'll learn how to say what you like to do, how to use the word like, and how to ask someone about their hobbies. Let's start with some common hobbies. Repeat after me. I like music. I like reading. I like playing games. I like cooking. I like traveling. I like watching movies. I like playing soccer. I like listening to music.
So, I just say, I like, plus the thing I enjoy?
Exactly. Like is how we talk about what makes us happy or what we enjoy doing. Now, when the activity is a verb like play, read, or cook, we add ing. So instead of I like play, we say I like playing. I like playing soccer. I like watching movies. Let's practice the pattern together. I like reading. You like cooking. He or he likes playing games. We like traveling. They like watching TV.
Wait, why likes for he and she again?
Good question. Just like last time, when we use he, she, or it, we add s likes. So, I like pizza. He likes pizza. She likes music.
Got it S for he, she, it. Same rule as before.
Let's try a few examples. I like reading books. I like playing soccer. She likes listening to music. He likes watching movies. We like cooking together. They like traveling. Now let's ask and answer. What do you like doing? I like playing guitar. What about you? I like watching shows.
So, what do you like doing is how I ask about hobbies?
Exactly. It's a super common question in English. Let's have a short conversation. What do you like doing in your free time?
I like playing games and watching movies. What about you?
I like reading books and going for walks.
Cool. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. I like cooking pasta. Nice job. You just had a full English conversation about hobbies. Today, you learned how to talk about your hobbies and free time in English using like plus verb plus ing.
And I learned to ask questions like, what do you like doing?
Exactly. In the next lesson, Lesson 4, we'll learn how to talk about your favorite things using I love, I don't like, and my favorite is.
That sounds fun.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning one step at a time with LinguaStep.